What is going on, guys? It is me, Doodybeard, and it is very late at night, but I have a review video to do because the most amazing package appeared at my door, and I am about to show you what it is. If you've been here before, then you know I make a bunch of videos about Huni Badger, and you know that I love the Huni Badger, and I don't even use another rig, I just use the Huni Badger. I also stream IRL on Twitch, live vlogging, VR, and live action cartoons, and lots of weird stuff. So if you like Adult Swim and weird Saturday morning cartoons, definitely tune in. Here's a clip, for example.
What's that? Cave-in! Ah! Ah!
So again, as you know from a bunch of past videos, I love the Huni Badger. The only rig that I have used for the past many years is this single Huni Badger. Until today. Your boy got a freaking package. I am literally so honored. Before I picked up my Huni Badger, I was watching YouTube videos and I was watching creators open their Huni Badgers and be like, no way, you got me a Huni Badger, I can't believe it. And now I am one of those creators. So Huni Badger, you guys are the coolest, and I cannot wait to hang out with you next time I go out to Vegas. I promise you I'm gonna make it. Thank you guys for being so awesome to me. I'm gonna show you guys the box, but first, Huni Badger gave me a little something to give away to you guys. It's the Huni Badger Mini in beautiful pink. If you're on the go and you're traveling light, this is definitely an amazing little pocket e-rig for you guys. I have personally used this thing in Vegas while waiting for some buses and waiting outside for stuff, and I can tell you firsthand that this thing is amazing. So I'm gonna give this one away. To win, like this video and type happy birthday down below in the comments because March 26th is my birthday. I will pick a winner randomly on my Twitch stream on March 26th or a couple of days after because I'm going to PAX East. And you must be in chat, so go into my Discord for all the updates on when I'm gonna give this bad boy away. All those links are down below, by the way. And if you decide that you do want to pick up a Huni Badger or a Huni Badger Pro after this video, definitely use my link down below because it does support me. And your boy is going through some rough times, so please use that link and pick up a Huni Badger. Support your boy. Let's open the box. So they did give me the mini Badger as I just showed in the box, and that's for you guys. So remember to comment down below. I got some air fresheners because they know I stink. Thank you. Thank you. They gave me a lanyard to wear at work because I am a bud tender, so thank you. I always wear my Huni Badger lanyards at my weed store. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to be part of the Huni Badger family. There's a little opening right back here. Be very careful. Be very careful. Book. This is really special, guys. This is really special. So let's show you guys what this thing comes with. Let's take it out piece by piece and show you what everything is. We got our main device, the Huni Badger Pro, with the little cute little LCD screen. Is it an LCD screen? Let me check. It is an LCD screen. It got a little LCD screen. It is a USB-C charger, which is, where is the USB-C charger? Where are you? Where are you? My elite employees. Oh, so this charger is actually for the Huni Badger Mini, I believe. This runs off of the same battery that the Huni Badger runs off of. So good thing I have a charged battery. So guess what? I lied again. It actually is a USB-C charger. That was not a button. That was just like a little rubber stopper. And then look at this. There's no button. There's just like a little touchpad. So you boop, 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 boop. Cool as hell. let's go through what else this comes with before we have too much fun here, because I'm having too much fun here on it. It has a 10mm adapter, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not sure what a 10mm adapter connects to, but I'm gonna find out. It comes with a 14mm adapter, which will connect to my bubbler attachment, which I'm really excited for. So I already got one of those. Now I got another extra. This is really cool. There is a little dab tool in the battery enclosure. So this thing is magnetic and it actually pulls out. It comes with the Huni Badger Pro tip, and if you remember, the old Huni Badger has a low tip and a high tip, or the fire tip for lighting bowls, lighting flour, but this one is variable voltage, and you actually control the temperature on the device this time. So this is the coolest. This is so cool. And then it comes with these awesome little travel jars, which I really like. Comes with some pipe cleaners to clean the tip and the passway. And then it also comes with these other little rubber stoppers for the adapters. And this thing is fully awesome. This thing is so cool. If you've used the Huni Badger before, you should basically know how to put this thing together. If not, I'm gonna do a quick little time lapse to show you. So you take this, you put the battery in upside down this time, which is pretty radical. Put the battery enclosure on. And now I have to put my bubbler piece on, so open this up. Warning, my bubbler piece is a little messy. I didn't really have time to clean it before this video, so don't judge me, whatever. Hidden in the cap was actually the 510 adapter, and I haven't used this, but I think this one will connect with like your 510 threads and your 510 cartridges and stuff like that. And also another little black jar. I love these things. Okay, I'm so excited. Huni Badger, thank you for sending me this. Also, I mentioned this before, but I haven't used another rig except this Huni Badger for the past 4 or 5 years. So this is my first rig upgrade in that time, and it's the new Huni Badger. So just keep that in mind. I have used this thing forever. All right, let's do it. Cheers. 5 times. So beautiful. It just turns right on. Yes, we hold it and then we tap once. And then there's a little timer. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little preheat timer that fills up. Oh, this is so cool. Ready. 60. 59. Okay, it's ready. It says it's ready. Let's go. Wow. Whoa. I'm the luckiest guy. That was...
The party just gets louder and louder!
I got a sub. That was amazing. This device, that was the perfect heat, that was the perfect taste, that was just the perfect literal amount of heat. That was 75 or 80% battery. I'm so impressed. Once again, I am so impressed. Huni Badger, you have outdone yourself. What the hell? So yeah, this device, 10 out of 10, 1000%. I would suggest this thing. If you're gonna buy this, please use the link below. It supports me directly. It really helps me and my partner out with everything. So please use that link below, and it would mean so much. This thing is incredible. This thing is so great. Huni Badger, thank you again. Thank you for sending me this. Everybody out there, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, give me a follow on Twitch, and remember, giving this Huni Badger Mini away, you got to comment happy birthday below, you got to follow me on Twitch and be in chat when we give it away. So I will see you then. Have an amazing rest of your weekend, and Huni Badger Pro.